inches, 8 is 16 inches.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see how this is wrong? Because it's still multiplying or dividing.
Oh,
Hey, you see that? I told you there's always that one, or you will always sometimes multiply when you have to divide and divide when you have to multiply. Why do I harp on using either ration, proportion, and dimensional analysis? Because that extra step validates that you have to you have to multiply or you have to divide. Is that clear? Okay. That's just extra step, and we don't kill anybody. Okay? Do that extra step. So what Manny did, what do you think Manny did? 7, 8, and 9. His answers are what? Higher than what it's supposed to be. What do you think he did? Multiplied or divide? He multiplied. This is a dangerous mistake it's a dangerous mistake converting the height wrong, but especially when we're calculating the amount of drugs once we get to milligrams. Okay? Milligrams, kilograms, micrograms. Okay. Redeem yourself, Manny, number 7, 8, and 9.
It's 4.5 inches, 2.56 inches, and 11.25 centimeters.
Okay, I have 4.8. I don't know why you came up with 4.6. Double check. I have 4.8, 2.56, and 11.25. You have an order on top. It says 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. So you should not use 2.54. The order was straightforward. Check again, number 7, man. You have 4.8.
Yeah, 4.8.
Is it 4.8? You just wrote it wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, number 7 is 4.8. Number 8 is 2.56. Number 9 is 11.25. Who got 7, 8, and 9 correct? Hands up. Okay, good job. 10, 11, and 12. Here comes freshman. Hilda, 10, 11, and 12.
10 is 65 centimeters. 11
Correct.
is 5.04 inches.
Correct.
And 12 is 7.4 inches.
Correct. Who got this 3 correct? Hands up. Okay, good job.